If you want to use Semrush for analyzing competitor paid traffic, there's actually a pretty quick and easy way to do this. We can see that this is a competitor website right here, well, theoretical competitor, and they're paying for about 9,600 clicks per month on Google Ads, and that's costing them about $160,000 a month, which means they're probably seeing some pretty decent results from this, or they would not continue to be spending $60,000 a month for, I don't know, a couple years now, looks like, maybe 2 years. They've been running ads for quite a while. So we can see their estimated traffic breakdown here. At one point in April, it looks like they went up to 70,000 clicks, but it has kind of gone up and down. But again, if somebody's putting this kind of money into their ads, it's usually an indication that things are working, because people don't want to drop $160,000 and make no money out of it. You know what I mean? So the way that I typically do this is I would come to Google and type in like the main search term, so Phoenix plumbers. You can then take these websites here and put them into the Semrush tool. If you don't already have an account with Semrush, I'll leave a link down below where you can get signed up for a free trial and use all these different features. But essentially, what I did here is I actually just took the top ranked organic competitor, put them into Semrush here. By default, that takes us to the domain overview, which is going to be a mix of organic and paid traffic analytics. Well, in this case, we're just focused on the paid traffic. So I just clicked on this right here, which takes us to this page. And then we're actually able to see all sorts of different stuff in relation to their Google Ads. Not just the amount of traffic that they're getting, but the number of keywords that they're advertising on, how much they're paying for the traffic that they're getting. And so we can see here they've been spending at least $10,000 a month for maybe a year, over a year, something like that, which is good to know, right? And we can then dive in a little bit deeper and figure out, okay, where is their paid traffic coming from? And seems to be a mix between electrical keywords, HVAC keywords, and plumbing keywords. So it seems that this company does all three: electrical, heating, or electrical, HVAC, and plumbing. So we can see plumber near me, 24-hour. They're even advertising on a competitor keyword. So when somebody searches for their competitor, Roto-Rooter, they're trying to get their ads to show up at the top of Google. And then you can also click this drop down to see a little bit more information about, like the keyword, the competitors that are showing up. And if you hover over the ad right here, you can also see the ad that people are running, which can be very helpful to see just at a glance. What exactly are they saying in this ad? So they're basically saying we offer router services. Don't call, router plumbing services. Don't call this competitor, call us. Right? So that's their strategy here. And with this information, we'll be able to determine more or less where they're getting their paid traffic from. In fact, if you wanted to, you could just export this entire list and analyze it bit by bit, break it apart, figure out what keywords they're going after, which ones you want to go after, and then start mapping out what campaigns you're going to set up, which ad groups you're going to put in those campaigns, which ads should go in those ad groups, etc., etc. So it's pretty straightforward. I hope this video was helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about in terms of analyzing competitor paid traffic with Semrush or anything of that nature, don't hesitate to reach out and just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to them there. If you're like most new business owners, you're probably struggling to get your online presence established, let alone get it to the point where it's bringing you a consistent flow of customers, right? So that's why I created this free course where I actually walk you step by step through the whole process of setting up your online presence. This is the same process we've been using for our clients for over a decade at one of my agencies. And essentially, I'm going to show you how to set up an SEO-friendly business name right from the get-go, how to develop your website really quickly and easily, how to set up your Google Maps listing, start getting some Google reviews, everything you need in order to have a substantial online presence where people can actually start finding you and purchasing your products or services. The best part is I'm going to show you how to do it in under a couple of hours and all for less than 50 bucks. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below where you can get signed up today. Make sure to check this course out for free right now because I'm probably going to start charging for this at some point in the future. All right, I'll see you on the other side.